Struggling with hefty image sizes hindering your uploads? Fear not. In this tutorial, we'll unveil the secrets of effortlessly resizing images on your Windows PC. Say goodbye to cumbersome uploads and hello to smooth resizing magic. Resizing with the Photos app. Let's kick off with the ever-handy Photos app. It's the go-to solution for quick and hassle-free image resizing. Here's the drill. Open your image in the Photos app. It's a breeze, as it's usually the default option. Now, click on the ellipsis button atop the menu bar, then glide over to Resize Image. Enter your desired dimensions. Peek at the preview below to gauge the final file size. Finally, save your resized image in your preferred spot. And voila! Say hello to your perfectly resized image, ready for action. Resizing with Paint. Not a fan of the Photos app?
No worries.
Paint steps in as your trusty alternative, offering a visual feast of resizing prowess. Here's how. Right-click your image in File Explorer and summon Paint from the Open With menu. Navigate to the Resize option atop the menu bar, a gateway to your resizing adventure. Customize your image size, whether by percentage or pixel precision, with the added option to maintain aspect ratio. Need to add a creative twist? Paint even allows skewing for those artistic endeavors. Once satisfied with your masterpiece, hit Save to update the original file. With Paint, resizing becomes an artistic journey where every pixel finds its perfect place. Voices of the Windows world, rejoice! Resizing images is now a breeze. And remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a sea of other options out there waiting for your exploration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and hit that like button to show some love. Until next time, resize away and unleash your creative potential.